really like this one. For real.
Will make you full.
If we could see through a million eyes, if we could see the wound of truth and everything, if we could listen to the rolling of the tides, if we could hear...
Nowadays, friends from Thailand post 2 or 3 shots videos in TikTok and Instagram each day. The content that suit well in short form videos like my favorite coffee place and quick food reviews. We even summarize 10 minutes video into one. If you have Instagram or TikTok, be sure to follow us there as well. Alright, welcome back to Friends from Thailand, and it is Friday evening. We both feel like having Khao Tom for dinner.
Which is like a rice porridge, but it's not very complicated because it's just water boiled with rice until it thickens up. But what is special is the side dish, and it's very common in Thailand. We have it in the morning for breakfast and like a late night meal for supper, or like late in the night.
Yes,
Yeah.
just a rice with combination with a lot of things. This is what we like. A lot of Thai people like it also. But sometimes tourists ignore this main dish. So we like to show you, alright? Come along.
And the place we're taking you to is called Khao, which is located just at BTS Pernji Home. The place is called Mahathun Plaza. And you have to walk a little bit inside. It's right in the back of the plaza.
Yes, this is just like eating and some cafe and also some salon as well, right? I'll show you a little bit before we walk to the actual restaurant. This is the main building. Along the way there'll be some cool cafe and also some food. I love this ice cream a lot, called goddamn good. You can do some Thai barbecue grilled pork also, right? I will go really quickly because the main idea of coming here is to eat Khao Tom, yeah?
Okay, and just about 2 minutes walk, we're here to Khao. It's just right by the corner at the end of the building. The place looks very colorful too.
It's the same for all the people in the world. A million different ways just to be heard.
Alright, we're quite exciting, right, for this Khao Tom meal because normally we can't eat it by ourselves because it should be a big proportion of all the side dish. So me and my team, we come up with 4 person, right? So we're going to order food. Right, over here they have English menu, right? They got candies, right? They got the a la carte menus, vegetable menus, and signature menu. And on another side also, right? This should be your interesting menu as well, right? This is like mama tom yum hot pot. Yeah, this is gonna be super delicious, right? We can have this as a soup.
Okay.
And
They also have it in a set. If you like maybe come 2 person or alone, you
yeah,
can get
actually you can have this alone. Yeah, this is super great idea, right? Remember I mentioned, right? You can't eat this Khao Tom alone, right? Because when you go, one side dish would fit 2 person. But they're coming with a smart solution, right? A small set costs about how much are they? Okay, $1.99, right? With all the side dish. Anyway, right? We're going to order and we're going to show you the food.
If we could see through a million eyes, if we could see the wound of truth and everything.
Alright, we got our food. Actually, that might be too much for 4 person.
No, but that's what we mentioned, that if you come more, you can get more side dishes.
Yes, okay, let me show you the menus, alright? Bam is supposed to tell you guys the menu. but I have small bite of our order first, right? Bam, go
Hungry
ahead.
too.
Go ahead.
Okay, so this is Khao Tom, just plain rice boiled with water and it gets thickened like this. And I just saw this restaurant boils it with pandan leaves, so I think you will get the smell of pandan. And this whole set is called Set A, just for one person. It's 199 baht. You have one bowl of Khao Tom and 2 entrees and 1 free item. So we picked minced pork with olives and morning glory grilled with chili, and the free item I chose grass jelly in milk.
I love this. Before we go on with our khao tom, right, or rice porridge, this is
Wanna
another
try this one first?
good-looking meals also, right? Very popular meal among local and tourists. This is instant noodles or mama, right? Tom yum noodles. But at this place here, I saw in the menu, right? They say cornflake, deep fried chicken. Right? I will mix it all together, okay? If you coming only 2 person, this mama hot pot
Will make you full.
will make you full.
Can I taste the soup?
Wow. Wow, look at this. Right, it's time. Give me the bowl, right? We're gonna divide this by
Okay.
4 equally, right? Not this mama hot pot tom yum, yeah? It's not that spicy, right? It just gives you a sense of tom yum with hot and sour taste. It's not like spicy, like you bite the whole chili or anything, right? But it is super creamy also. I'm trying to look for that cornflake, right? Because it's a deep fried cornflake. So I can bite on that texture of crispiness. We don't even start khao tom yet, okay? When we say creamy, right, you can notice, right? The soup is not clear, right? It's almost thick. I don't know how they do it, but it's thick and creamy. And the whole bowl of this mama hot pot costs only 279 baht, right? Basically, 5 people can eat this bowl. Right? You can't finish it by yourself for sure. Yeah? I'm not done with the mama yet. Hopefully I'm not too full until I show you khao tom. Yeah? You can pass me khao tom, please. But fun part about eating boiled rice or khao tom or rice porridge is that you got so many side dish to eat with, right? And all the textures, all the taste is different. I will have to move this mama hot pot aside first. Okay, and replace. Bam, can you move that aside? Alright, over here should be an example of set B, right, Bam? This is set B, right? How much is it? It is. I think this is about
299 baht.
99 baht. You got 2 bowl of rice and 3 side dish.
Yeah. And this one, this omelette, they say it's the signature of the grandmas. It's radish omelette.
Okay.
That's right.
If you guys from Taiwan, Hong Kong, and China, you might familiar with boiled rice, yeah. But in Thailand, maybe it's little different, right? I'm not quite sure. Just tell me that in your home country, if it look like this.
We need to start with this one because it's the order. It's chai pizza, 75 baht. get like 5 or 6 pieces.
When I told you guys that it is a combination of all the side dish, right? This is how you can like enjoy different selection for real. Alright?
So this one in set B, this one is string beans, stir fried with minced pork and with mala sauce. We taste it.
When we're taking turn telling you guys the menu, right? Because when I'm talking, I'm eating, and when I'm talking, Bam will be eating.
The next one is minced pork with
Okay.
Chinese black olives. Is it good? This
Yeah.
one? This one?
This one.
Oh.
Yeah, there'll be chili, yeah, and garlic as well. Nam niap.
Black olive, Chinese black olive.
Yeah. And the secret is that you have to dip that into the boiled rice, a lot like that, and have it all in one.
I like this omelette because it's mixed with radish. I like it since I was a kid. Normally my mom makes it for me in the morning before school.
By the way, right, if you see the camera here, we have a team doing short video as well. We put that on TikTok and on Instagram, right, to summarize all the dish and all the experience. This can be so simple, right? But so delicious. Salted egg with khao tom.
And it's halfway and we're not done yet. Kishon, don't forget to eat this one. This one is salted egg with century egg and Chinese sausage in a spicy salad. You can have this one because I don't really like eggs.
I love it.
I'll just have the Chinese sausage. This one I really want to try because it feels like something that mommy makes. This
Yeah.
one is steamed pork with egg tofu and salted egg on top.
It's super hard for us, right? To eat and to talk and try to capture all the video. So apologize if it's not nicely done, okay? Apologize.
Sorry.
Because sometimes we enjoy the food so much, we forgot all the angle. We just eat. But at least you know the place, you know the food, yeah. So next time when you come to Thailand, you can consider, right?
Baby shrimp stir fried with chili. And this one too.
Have this one first. You have this one first.
Here.
I want to show you how you're supposed to eat this one. This is what? Clam with chili paste stir fry, right? Or in Thai we call this
ผัดห
ห
อ
อย ย
ลา
ลาย ยผัดพริกเผา yeah. But the ideal is should be the juice, right? So you should suck the whole thing. Like that.
I really like this one. For real.
When we're eating khao tom with side dish, what we enjoy? Pick a little, right? Take some bite and eat some rice, and then pick another side dish.
That's why I love coming with a lot of people because I can eat more kinds of side dish.
Yeah. We've been eating so much, maybe too much.
Too much.
And the food that we order should be able to feed 6 people at least. But
No, but
we here only 4
look, I
persons.
didn't even finish my porridge, but I ate so much side dish. That's why I'm so full.
I eat 2 rice bowl.
That's normal for you. This one is already full, but I can put a little bit more because I really like this one.
Mummy food.
And baby food.
Yeah.
Okay, we've come to an end and we're gonna end our meal with this one.
Yeah.
You see it?
Glass jelly
In fresh milk.
in fresh milk. This would be เฉาก๊วยนมสด Yeah. You have to eat it with ice.
And this one is the one that I was waiting for. Oh, brain freeze.
Alright, we done. Khao Tom is a little bit of Thai and Chinese meal. Therefore, right, you get a chance to finish your meal with hot Chinese tea.
And if you guys come from Taiwan, Hong Kong, or China, probably you will know this hot tea because it helps burn the fat and help the gum and teeth, the brain, everything. And it's good for ending the meal with a nice cup of hot tea.
We've been eating a little bit way off our limit, but the food
Yes.
here is really good. Alright, at least you get to know. Right, there are so many good type of food in my country. Alright, let me know what type of food you like, so we can make a recommendation to you guys. Okay, hope this video useful as always. Right, me as your local friend will make a trip to Thailand even better. Right, this is CHON, this is Bam Bam. Bye bye for now. Right, สวัสดีครับ
Bye bye.
If we could see through a